Picture board.
Oh.
Hello, Susan. What?
I said hello, Caitlin. Hi, I thought you said hello, Susan. I really hope my parents don't come home.
I know. Oh, somebody needs to dust up here.
Really?
I want to go that way. I'm gonna fall.
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, God. Something's wrong with us.
Yeah.
You think?
I want to step on the stove, but I'm scared I'm gonna
What
break
if I
it.
can make it from here then?
Please don't try. You have socks on.
Okay. I'll pick it up. What happened?
You'd have to like do a freaking split. You'd fall. Because I thought about that too, and I was like, no. You made that laugh a lot that night. Like, you got home.
Really?
Yeah. You're like,
This thing?
yeah.
Pretty bad. What you doing off the refrigerator?
What?
What was she doing off the refrigerator?
Oh. Fall. Please don't like knock my refrigerator. Here, hold on. You want me to help you up? How did you get him down?
I don't know. I'm really stuck in there
You should. Yeah, you should hide. You just stay there until they come home. I need to record the
I know.
I'm gonna
The
take
camera
pictures.
needs to point this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go like. Let's put it on color.
You hear my phone?
Yeah. I wonder if I could get up there. I probably couldn't get up there. We'd break the thing.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm scared to lean too far forward. I don't want to like lean over.
Okay, I'm gonna get the camera and show everybody where you are. Or the camera, not everybody. 'Cause I wonder if
I
I.
just texted Kyle and I said, I'm on top of the refrigerator.
Okay, I'm gonna stop until they come home.
Okay.
Bye.